Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to back up your files on Steam. So let's get started. Open up your Steam and go up here and click Steam. Now you have this option, Restore Game Backup. After you've clicked this, you'll need to browse for your folder's backup. Right now I don't have one, but it should be under your C disk, under program 86 files, and there should be a Steam and then backups. You choose that and it will show you to back up your files. It's really that simple. I'm sorry that I cannot show it. I really don't have any backups. I completely uninstall anything I play, but yeah. Anyhow guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow guys, have a nice day.